we started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen everywhere.
In this video, we're going to be using the Dip Your Car Brass Monkey wheel kit. The reason we're going with PlastiDip is because it's a simple way to change the look of the wheels while giving you the ability to change or return back to stock at any time. If it's difficult for you to remove the wheels, you can spray the kit with the wheels on the car and still get good results. But since it's pretty easy, we're going to remove it and give ourselves a little more space. You can see that the calipers we dipped in a previous video are still looking good and have not shown any signs of wear. It's been about 3 months and maybe 4,000 miles. With all of the wheels off, we're going to bring them outside and give them a wash. I'm spraying them down with some wheel cleaner, letting them sit for a bit, and then agitating them with a brush and rinsing. In this shot, you can also see some of the Tesla solar guys walking around. If you're interested in getting solar or curious about the Tesla solar experience, stay tuned for an upcoming video. After letting the wheels dry, I tape off some of the inside since I wanted a clean line. Next, I spray some PreDip Spray, which is supposed to clean and prepare the surface for the dip. Spray it on, let it sit for about a minute, and then wipe it off. I also apply some dip release, which is supposed to prevent the dip from sticking onto certain surfaces and makes it easy to remove unwanted dip later on. We take the can out of some warm water, shake it up, and begin spraying our first coat. The color difference between Brass Monkey and the original isn't too drastic, but if I freeze the frame right here, there's definitely a noticeable difference. After letting it all dry, it's time to remove the overspray. The dip definitely didn't come off as easily as I expected, but I'm assuming it's because my overspray wasn't thick enough, or maybe because I didn't apply enough dip release. I try using a towel and then a brush, but in the end I just end up using a power washer, which works a lot better.